Tired of waiting forever for your big oven to preheat? Or heating up the whole kitchen just for a pizza? In this video, I'll show you the 7 best countertop ovens that make cooking faster, easier, and way more fun. In the description, I've left links with the latest prices on Amazon. Let's get started. Number 7. Chef IQ. If you love technology and versatility, the Chef IQ Mini Oven is your dream kitchen helper. With 11 cooking functions, from baking and roasting to air frying, dehydrating, and even slow cooking, it truly replaces multiple appliances in one. That means less clutter on your counters and more freedom in your cooking. The real star here is the Chef IQ app. You can control your oven from anywhere, choose chef-tested presets, and even track your meal as it cooks. Imagine prepping dinner, then checking on it from the couch, or even while folding laundry. It's convenience taken to the next level. The 25-quart capacity is large enough for family meals, like a 13-inch pizza or a full dinner roast. And with a sleek touchscreen and optional smart thermometer, you get precision cooking without the guesswork. If you want a countertop oven that feels like having a sous chef by your side, the Chef IQ is it. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. CUCINA 10-in-1. The CUCINA 10-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a multitasking champ. With infrared heating and true convection, it cooks up to 40% faster than traditional ovens while keeping food crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Perfect for when you want a quick meal that still feels indulgent. Its 10 preset functions cover everything: air fry, bake, broil, roast, slow cook, and more. That makes it easy to switch between breakfast toast, a family-sized pizza, or even a batch of homemade jerky. And speaking of family size, this oven has one of the largest capacities in its class. Roasting a whole chicken or cooking party snacks, no problem. The air fry mode reduces fat by up to 75%, so you can enjoy fries, wings, and nuggets without the guilt. With a user-friendly digital display, quick heating, and multiple accessories included, the CUCINA 10-in-1 takes the stress out of cooking. If you need one oven that does it all, this is a winner. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. CUCINA 7-in-1. If healthy cooking is your priority, the CUCINA 7-in-1 steam oven will be your new favorite tool. Unlike most countertop ovens, this one includes powerful steam functions that help preserve nutrients, moisture, and flavor. That means your veggies stay vibrant, fish comes out tender, and bread bakes with that perfect golden crust. It doesn't stop at steaming. You also get air frying, baking, sous vide, and even fermentation for homemade yogurt or dough. With 29 automatic presets, it's like having a cooking assistant that knows exactly how to handle your meal. Safety and ease of use are built in. The triple-layer insulated glass keeps the outside cool, while a child lock and steam venting system add peace of mind. Cleaning is a breeze too, thanks to the self-cleaning mode that handles descaling and deodorizing for you. If you're looking for a countertop oven that prioritizes health, convenience, and versatility, the CUCINA steam oven is a game changer. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Want free shipping and fast delivery on your products? Try Amazon Prime. There is a 30-day free trial linked in the description. Number 4. Elite Gourmet 2,530 meters. Next up, the Elite Gourmet 2530M is all about space and style. With its double French doors, you can easily slide in larger dishes while saving counter space. It's great for family meals, parties, or when your main oven is already busy during the holidays. The 25-liter capacity fits a full roast or a 12-inch pizza, and with 3 rack positions, you can cook multiple dishes at once. That means warming rolls on one rack while baking a casserole on another. True multitasking. What makes this oven especially handy is its precision controls. With an adjustable thermostat, a 60-minute timer, and multiple cooking functions, you can handle everything from quick toast to slow roasts. And because it heats faster and uses less energy than a big oven, it's practical for everyday use. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple, while the sleek design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. If you want capacity and flexibility in a countertop oven, Elite Gourmet delivers. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Ninja 12-in-1. The Ninja 12-in-1 Double oven is a true innovation. It's like having 2 ovens in one, thanks to its flex door design. You can use just the top for quick snacks or both compartments at once for full meals. And with Smart Finish technology, both dishes can finish cooking at the same time, even if they're at different temperatures. This means no more juggling dishes or waiting around for one thing to finish before starting another. Plus, the Flavor Seal technology ensures your garlic roast won't make your cookies taste like dinner. The 12 cooking functions cover everything from air frying and roasting to dehydrating and pizza. And with the Smart Cook system and built-in thermometer, you can nail the perfect doneness every time. Large enough to cook for up to 8 people, the Ninja Double Oven is perfect for busy families or anyone who loves entertaining. If efficiency and versatility are your goals, this oven is hard to beat. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Black Decker. Simple, reliable, and budget-friendly, the Black Decker earns our second spot. With convection heating, it circulates hot air evenly for faster, more consistent results. Whether you're baking cookies, roasting veggies, or crisping up garlic bread. One of its best features is its size. It fits most standard 9 by 13-inch pans with handles, so you don't need special cookware. That makes it especially convenient for everyday meals. You can even slide in a 12-inch pizza for family pizza night. With 3 rack positions, a 60-minute timer, and a dedicated toast function, it covers the basics with ease. The controls are simple, making it approachable for anyone in the household. And with its affordable price point, it's a great way to get reliable performance without breaking the bank. If you're after an oven that's straightforward, roomy, and effective, the Black Plus Decker Extra Wide is a solid choice. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Elite Gourmet 4510M. The Elite Gourmet 4510M brings it all together: capacity, style, and versatility. With dual French doors and a huge 45-liter interior, it can handle everything from a 7-pound turkey to 2 pizzas at once. Perfect for families, gatherings, or serious home chefs. It goes beyond standard ovens with a built-in rotisserie, letting you roast chicken to golden perfection while keeping the meat juicy inside. 4 rack positions give you room to cook multiple dishes at once, while independent temperature controls allow you to customize heat for different types of food. The convection fan ensures even cooking, while dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup stress-free. And because it's energy efficient, you'll save time and money compared to using a full-sized oven. With its sleek stainless steel design and impressive functionality, the Elite Gourmet 4510M isn't just a countertop oven, it's a full cooking solution. That's why it takes the number 1 spot. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best countertop ovens you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.